emotional trading day. Emotional trading day. It's a wild one out here for sure. You could just see the emotions everywhere. I need some water after that wild one. Wow. We got a lot to talk about. We're going to talk about some emotions. So let's give it a couple seconds. Let people join up. Let me share this out to people so others can join. We got 3 people in here right now. Nice. Let a couple other people join up. It's an emotional one out there today, guys, for sure. Those market makers know what they're doing on GameStop. How you guys doing today? Let a couple other people join up in here. Hopefully you guys were able to handle your emotions today and stick to your trading plans. Wait for setups, because there's a lot going on out there. All right, we got 7 people up in here. Let's get it going. So all the talk today, GameStop, 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 KOSS, AMC, GameStop, GameStop, and these market makers know what they're doing. I've seen this many times before, many times. They build up those emotions pre-market. They get you all excited, get your adrenaline running, and then when the market opens, just everything just goes wild and crazy. Crazy. You definitely have to know what you're doing and monitor your thoughts at all times. We just thought SSNT was going to squeeze up today, up over this $10, came up to it, failed. Fell down to $7, came all the way back up to 10, pulled back, gearing up for that 10 break, and then just puttered out. Looked up online, they have 50 million shares of offerings that they can do. They have active shelf, 50 million shares. So let me show you guys my P&L for the day so far. I traded SSNT. I got burnt right in the morning, right there trying to buy that $10 breakout, failed. But then right when this was coming back up, I was able to make back a lot of what I was down. I'm still down on it, 2,000, but on the day, total, I'm up just over $6,000. I made a killing today just scalping KOSS. Made 14,000 on KOSS. Just trading it back and forth, back and forth. And when it came down to GameStop, I didn't trade GameStop at all. There's GameStop right there. So I'm not going to trade GameStop. I'm going to trade the sympathy plays. I'm going to trade the sympathy plays that are following GameStop. GameStop is the leader. And as a trader, you have to know your edge. You see that GameStop is spiking, and then you have KOSS, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC. There was another one, RXBX or something. EXPR. So whatever GameStop does, these stocks are lagging like 30 seconds a minute behind GameStop. It's easy plays. And this is the type of stuff you have to know to look out for. Yesterday, when we did the live stream on here, I was up, what, 2,000 on the day? I was able to end the day up $8,000 because GameStop started just surging and going nuts. Jumped in KOSS, got in on the Discord. alerted everybody I'm loading up on costs, and from 12 bucks, costs ran all the way up to $22. Just an insane bounce. So let's get going, guys. Feel free to comment if you want. I have the tournament or comments on now. That's the thing with YouTube. They don't turn on the comments. But I want to talk about emotions, guys. Get going for a walk. The quality might go a little sour. I'm going to try walking down the street more. I'm still experimenting with this walking and talking with you guys, so I don't know the connection, the internet connection is going to be all that great. We got Rick and Morty. Alright, I got everything that I need. List post, keep up the good work, man. Appreciate it. It's not bad out. Just like yesterday. Feels like it's probably like 50 degrees out right now. But alright, guys. Let's talk about emotions. Handling your emotions when trading. You have to... I already knew before the market opened that there was just going to be emotions everywhere, because GameStop yesterday ran from 50 bucks all the way up until after hours. It ran up to $200. So everybody's gonna want to get in on that. The first thing that they're gonna say is, wow, look at it, how much money I could have made. These cars might be a bit too loud. Plus, and then I look crazy because I have a selfie stick and I'm walking around. Yeah, we got some ground right here. So with GameStop having that big move yesterday, we already knew the next day there's going to be tons of emotions going on. Everybody's going to want to get in on that. They're going to force trades, and they're going to let their emotions take over and dictate their P&L. You don't want to do that. Appreciate it. You always have to put away a little something for Uncle Sam. All right, we got away from that road. About to be moving here pretty soon. Move to a better area where I can walk around and have a bit more scenery instead of all these cars here all the time. So we had GameStop. Those market makers know what they're doing. Every single time they made it look like GameStop was gonna rip and run, they just yank it down. It would, right when the market opened, it kept slamming down into halts. And then as soon you connect a trade, it got back above VWAP. And then they curl it up at VWAP and then KOSF. We'll probably just go around the corner one time. I myself even had to walk away. I was getting emotional. I was getting very emotional. The best thing to do is to recognize when you're emotional and your thoughts are going everywhere and you can't really hear yourself think. You have to walk away. You have to. Setups, your brain is going to play tricks on you, and you're going to be trading your P&L and your emotions. That's what you're going to do. You can't do that. We're professionals. We're here to make money, not just randomly and just gamble it away. You know what I'm saying? And also determining your size is very important. Determine your size. A stock like GameStop is ripping up and down dollars at a time. Dollars. Same thing with costs. KOSS. Ripping $2, $3, $4 at a time. You know, you're not careful about your size. You jump in with 2,000 shares, 1,000 shares, and that stock gets a death candle of $2. That's gonna hurt. But with all those emotions built up, just let the market play out. Let the first 15 to 20 minutes go by. I know it's hard at times. Even at times you gotta walk away. You do not want to trade that open. Stay away from that open. I can't tell you guys how much money I've just lost, blown, trying to trade the open. All these gurus out there tell you guys the first hour of the day you should be trading the open. No, don't be doing that. That's how you'll blow your account up. Let the market open. GameStop just kept getting halted down. Slap a trend line on that bad boy. Let it cross over that trend line. Reset up. If a stock is tradable, one of my favorite sayings, it'll kick you in your shins and it'll have two air horns blowing in your face, screaming, trade me. As traders, we sit on our hands and wait for opportunities. We don't chase them. So, being up 6K, I'm gonna go into the end of the day and just scale back a bit and look at some wallet patterns. The first trade that I take, if it doesn't go well, I'm gonna end it. Tomorrow's Friday, it's the last day of February, and then we go into March. What are my thoughts on AMC? Whatever GameStop does. GameStop is the leader. Whenever you have a sector breakout or a strong stock on the day, go to like finviz.com and pull up that top stock of the day, see what sector it's in, and then filter it by the top percentage gainers. That's how you're gonna see other stocks that are following in sympathy. So if you've been around the past 2 months, you know all the stocks that have been in sympathy with GameStop. We got GameStop, AMC, KOSS, BBBY. What is that? That RXBX one? And then BB, BlackBerry. So that's like 6 stocks that are all in sympathy with GameStop. Whatever GameStop does, the others are gonna follow. 3 out of 4 stocks follow the overall market. I remember GameStop was leading the S&P 500 at one point. GameStop was dictating the direction of the market at one point. Plus, there's a lot of bag holders on GameStop. So you're gonna wanna expect all those people who chased after it when it first ran up. PRD says he could not find the famous Dave's trend. Please explain. It's just a simple trend line breakout. You just connect the higher or lower highs and wait for the stock to cross over. That's all it is. It's nothing. I posted the, if you're in the Discord in the Thursday chat, PRD, I posted 2 charts, KOSS and GameStop. I had 2 trend lines drawn on them, and the stock broke up above it, pulled back, and then held that trend line as support, and that's the play. That doesn't work all the time, but as a trader, and I always preach, study these charts, guys. because you're going to see opportunities that other people are not going to see because of your personality. Everybody's personality is different. Some people have, you know, that chill personality. Famous Dave Wolf, yup. I think I'll have to make a video on it too. I'll make a remind me to make a video for you members, the Famous Dave's play. But you have multiple personalities. So you have like those chill people, you know, and then you have those personality of people that are hyper. They have ADD. You have gossip, people that like to gossip and love drama. It goes right in with the stock market. Everybody has different personalities. So you're gonna have to find and look for what fits your personality. Some people have that fast-paced personality where they do everything in life fast. They're a fast trader. Some people, they have patience. They like to take their time with their work. They don't mind waiting around. So maybe they'll go after slower type plays, bigger time frames. It's really crazy how life revolves around the stock market and being a trader. It really is. There's a squirrel right there. You guys see him? He's eating that nut. He got his nut for the day. But hey guys, nothing like stock trading and then going squirrel hunting, huh? So, what did you guys trade today? I know everybody probably traded GameStop. I didn't trade GameStop one time. I'm just a squirrel trying to get a nut. Aren't we all? You get that nut and you store it away for a race. Profits add up. So you want to cut your losers as fast as possible. Let your winners work for you. Take it one trade at a time and one day at a time. I like to tell myself, I don't want to focus on the day. I want to focus on closing green for the week. When you think bigger picture like that, closing green for focus on closing green every week leads into closing on the daily chart, my news, and the stock research. Charts right there. So CDXC on a tear. You said, look, there's a squirrel. A squirrel ran up. I didn't get to see your comment who, okay, there we go. Steve says at that exact time he said, look, there's a squirrel. A squirrel ran up the screen on my living room window. Wow. All your guys' comments. But then I have my charts right here with trade ideas, and then I have more scans going on right here. So it's a revolving world of the stock market right here. So we're just approaching noon. So going into lunch hours, just walk away, let these stocks set back up, and we'll see what the end of the day opportunity could bring for us. See. Sorry for the misconnection there, guys. This Wi-Fi be going in and out sometimes. But I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. I'm enjoying these walks and talks with you guys. Look forward to doing more of them. I don't know about doing it every single day. That's a bit much. Maybe every other day. I'm down to do that. But leave down in the comments below. You guys want me to do more of these walks and talks with you guys. I like hanging out with you guys. I really do. You guys are a good bunch of people. Thanks for supporting the channel, as always. And we out here getting this money, guys. If you're not a part of the Trading Learning 101 community, what are you waiting for? We're out here getting it every single day. We're out here. And there's some really good people in the chat room. Very good people. Dub, thanks for the recaps every day. You're connecting the unit even stronger and stronger with every recap video that you do. And that's just so cool that you're doing that. I like to see other people branch out, start up their own little thing, and support the community. Awesome job. All right, guys. Be safe out there. Remember, monitor your thoughts. Take it one trade at a time and focus on quality, okay? It's not about how many trades you take a day. It's about the quality of the trade, the big picture. All right, guys. Have that discipline. Have that patience. Study, 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 like I always say. Peace.